Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations with my granddaughter,
Megan.
and we are going to do not in order. I'm going to tell you right now, I've got a lot of unboxings to do, so I'm going to start with Creative Notions October-December box, which is that one right there, if you've gotten it. And if you haven't, then you will be seeing what it looks like. This is the final box of 2025. Okay, so the first thing I want to pull out here is a really neat bag full of goodies. I love these bags.
I found yarn.
By Carol, and I do not know how to pronounce Carol's last name. Thielen, I believe, is how it's pronounced. And it's spinners that she designed. 4 fabrics and easy piecing. So let me lift a little higher so you can see the, there you go. And here's the fabric.
It's thread.
Holiday fabric colors. So that's so real pretty.
It's color number 20 if you want it. I don't know what that means, but there's a number. It's not white.
It's Gutermann. Gutermann is the name brand for those that don't know it. I always like to tell which brand came in the box. And there's the pretty red with the poinsettias on it. And this is a really nice cream. And that looks like it's also made by Miss Steele.
Miss Carol. Carpenter's Star. This little
Assembling the blocks. Yeah. So it will look like this when it's together. And what size is that? I didn't even see the size of the other one. This is 34 by 34. And the first one I showed. Oh, so the first one you can make the runner, which is 79 by 33, or the wall hanging, which is 22 by 22. That's a different kind of fabric because I've never seen that before.
I like this one.
That.
I like batik. Yes? Did I say it right? Is that not what that is?
I don't know. I don't think it is. I just think it's regular fabric.
I don't know. It's pretty.
It looks like it. Okay, we have a nifty kitchen gadget, a bag keeper. This is the rubber. It's like a gripper. That's what I call that. Gripper. And then the 3 fabrics.
It's like the grippies at the bottom of like a toddler's socks.
Oh yeah, that's a pretty good analogy. And there's what it'll look like with your fabric.
Fabric basket.
Well, these are buttons, see-through buttons.
I don't know if they'll be able to see it.
I think you can. Yeah, there you go. And it's a fabric basket. That's kind of cute. Look at that.
I know. I said you would like it.
Your items in it.
With this fabric.
Yeah. That'd be a nice gift, too. And there's the back picture. Okay. Got the little
other
pockets
piece
on
of
it.
fabric they give me.
It says believe and joy and
Merry Christmas and joy and believe.
Yeah. Very nice. Okay, just set it right. All right, so it says Merry Christmas. Love the Creative Notions team. This is the package. An ornament. Look at that.
Did you up? There you go.
And then turn it over.
It's the same colors.
But different. Yeah, that's nice. The tags, I didn't even see
They're
that.
not like that one's Merry and Bright, and you can write,
Oh, cute little pretzels. They look like little turkey legs. That's what they remind me of. The Country Pulper mini caramel pretzels. Well, that's gonna have a little bit of a different flavor with the caramel on it.
caramel.
Okay, caramel, whatever you say. And here's a card that says the art of quilting. Uh-oh, somebody's meowing to us.
Fabric you were short from the box.
Which box does it say?
No, it does not. It all came out of the same box, but doesn't say.
Okay.
Okay, so she was short on fabric, so she got that.
Put that in there.
That's cool. Then you have...
From the August box. She forgot to read that. So in the box August, which I have not shown yet, it was short this fabric. Right here, honey. We're going to leave it right here because when I open the August box, we'll show it.
I don't know what these are, but it says stabilizer bands. What's that for?
I have to look at it.
Keep your... Oh, wait, it says it right there. Keep your... Keep your interfacing and stabilizer collection organized. With these handy slap band labels. That is my arm.
Okay, so when you get them out, they roll like this because you put it on a tube.
No.
Yeah,
they slap. So you do. I'm not slapping on you. So you gotta.
There you go.
See,
demonstration. Now we have the 2025 Garden of Sunshine Mystery Row by Row quilt along. So this is the final quilt. See how this is missing?
Sure.
Then you put that in there. Garden of Sunshine, just so you don't get confused, which is up there, and it's showing you, see the part that's missing when you make it.
Now I know you did not just cover my face when I was doing pretty animations.
Again, we will cover her face. Carrots, the grass row, and the bunny block. And then the actual finish is this. And then I'm going to hold this out so that when I have the other boxes, I can add to it. Oh, yeah, the wheelbarrow block. Sorry. That's the last block that completed that quilt. We're going to lay it out here on the counter so that everybody can see what came in the box. Thrilling twists for the new year. We're buzzing with excitement for what's to come. Our fabulous boxes will keep rolling your way, though sometimes they might be in a cute bag. Each one will be sprinkled with charming notions, a quilt kit, a small kit, and a tailor-made treat just for you. Our website is sticking around, but with the jazzy new name, Quilts and Crafts. We're not the usual fabric quilt shop, so a fresh name was in order. Quilts and Crafts will showcase our famous bi-monthly quilting subscription box, a new monthly subscription for pre-cut fabric. You can pick the size of your fabric cuts from the fat quarters to half yards to full yards. Prints will be a surprise, except for January's kit. You'll be able to view it on the website just this one time if y'all want to go check that out. And then it says, plus crafty folks can grab a new monthly laser cut wood kit subscription for their creative shenanigans. January's kit will be viewable on our website and will be a surprise each month afterward. We will also have a few craft items available as well. We will be adding things to the website over the next few months, so check in often. Don't forget, you can snag previous and new patterns for download online, but wait, there's more. Due to the pesky rise in shipping and fabric costs, we're nudging the price of the subscription up by just $3, landing the total for the bi-monthly box at $87 plus shipping. We know times are tough, and financially we want you to keep giving you quality and quantity in your boxes, so we have to pass along part of the cost to you. We're all about giving you bang for your buck, so we skip the bells and whistles like printed boxes, glossy papers. This means every box is packed with pure value. We're brimming with creative ideas, and we can't wait to share. As always, the way to reach us is by email, and for now, the email address and the website will remain the same. They're not changing it. We want you all to know how much we appreciate each and every one of you from the Creative Notions Quilts and Crafts team. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I really appreciate Vicki and all that her and her team do for us quilters. Okay, real quick. Megan believes that I said the price wrong on the boxes. So if I did, I'm telling you the correct price now. They're $78 and the shipping. She thought that I said $87. So just to clarify, they're $78. And I believe that $3 a month more is a lot better than finding out they're $15 a month or $10. So that's still a pretty good deal. All right, here we go. Megan has laid it out on the table for me. So here's everything that was in the box. That's some really pretty red fabric right there too. A lot of good ideas and things to make this time. And then here are the blocks to make for the Garden of Sunshine. And here's what it will look like when it is finished. Hopefully there's not too much of a glare on that. There we go. Alrighty, thank you everybody for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to get back into the groove now. So we'll have some more unboxings coming up a couple of days from now. Thanks for watching everybody, and welcome to all my new subscribers. Bye-bye.
Bye.